Hello guys, today we're gonna feed my fish. This will be like a short time, so let's do it. First, we have our angel fish and our glowfish. I don't know if they're glowfish or not, but I think there are glowfish. And next is the betta fish or bettas. If you can see, betta fish. And we're gonna feed my betta fish. There, my two betta fish. Okay. And we're gonna feed the last fish. My favorite fish, of course, is guppy fish. And nanganak din yung guppy fish ko, guppy fish. So ito, nakita mo. There. Kakainis wala. Pero ito, this is my one molly fish. So, and last all, my baby guppy fish. So, baby guppy fish are like, anak guppy fish. Anak guppy fish. And so, we're done guys. Like and subscribe to Kim of Park. Okay, so bye bye guys, and subscribe. Thank you. GG's guys.